Today I'll be venturing over to Paulton's Park to check out the construction of their new Ghostly Manor Eurofighter coaster Draken, in addition to its surrounding Viking area which will open in 2026. I'll also be checking out their new dark ride Ghostly Manor, so let's head into the park. Join us from a very wet day at Paulton's Park. Stepped straight out the car and it started raining, which is great, but here we go, we're going to try out Ghostly Manor and see if it lives up to the hype. I mean, the theming in the queue is amazing. Easy winning. You've had practice as well. Good enough.
Yeah, I'm catching up, I think.
Oh, blast, he's catching up. Get it? Because I was holding a blaster. I like this one. Oh, well done. Just about got me. I got 70,300, which I don't know if it's good or bad, but yeah, comment your scores down below. But I think it's a really nice dark ride. It's definitely done on a lower budget than something like Curse. But what they have done with the money is create something which is immersive, has some fun interactivity, and it's a good mix of screens and also practical sets. So I really enjoyed it. I've always thought this part of the queue on Storm Chase is a bit like Creek Creek Massacre. It's the thin corridors of all the woods and stuff. Here we go then on Storm Chaser. I think this ride's got some good thrills and forces and some great theming as well. Woo! Oh yeah! That was pretty intense. Never been on trekking tractors before, so even though it's a kid's ride, we will give it a try. Should we both be backseat drivers? Yeah, release the clutch slowly, please. Oh wait, did you just stall? What's in the shed? Hashtag what's in the shed. The theme on this is really good. I mean, I know it's a kid's ride, but honestly, I'm very impressed. Oh no, beware the crows of Paulton Meadow. Farmyard Flyer was amazing as always. It's like really smooth and then you get this like jank part at the end, but apart from that, really enjoyed it. And I think we're gonna get some food now. We got our food at Route 83 Diner and it looks so good. I'd probably give it a 6-7 out of 10. No, in all seriousness, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. I mean, I haven't had the burger yet, but I'm sure it'll be very nice. Gonna have a go on wraps now. Nice Vekoma boomerang poster, family boomerang. And it's actually surprisingly intense in this little turn over here, so I'm really looking forward to getting back on it. And I'll get a video as well. Got the GoPro. Row 7 on Velociraptor, should be good. I didn't get a POV of Flight to the Pterosaur. That's a good fun family coaster. Not as good as Vampire, not as interesting in the layout, but still good theming. Here we go, time for our ride on Splash Lagoon. I mean, the theming on this looks insane, so I'm really excited. It's a big dinosaur. Wow, the theming is so good. Observation tower. Not really looking forward to the drop, gotta be honest. Oh no, absolutely not. Triceratops? Oh no. I mean, we've just been poured down on with torrential rain, so this should be light work, but nevertheless, it's going to be a bit wet. Let's see how he fares on this. Did you get wet? Okay. Going up into the observation tower. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh no. We're good, we're good. Here's the damage. We're actually okay. Oh, phew guys, we made it. After riding Splash Lagoon, we decided to go on the Dinosaur Tour Co. And if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to subscribe. Theming's so good on there, and the landscaping. Especially now it's grown up. Grown out. Grown up. I don't think any theme park in the UK does landscaping as well as Paulton's. It's just so pretty. Oh, the smoke's working as well.
Incredible! A rare treat for all of us.
Year 9 toilets, yeah. Oh no, he didn't come out. Oh no, he does. Bruh. I'm gonna try out Beastly Burrow, whatever this is. Maybe it's a walkthrough. I've honestly never been in here before, so. Oh my god! Oh, this is cool. We've got insects, yeah. Oh yeah, because we're in Critter Creek. I think something that Paultons do well, outside of their rides and theming, is the zoo element to it. Because they've got, well, that was more for reptiles. They used to have something similar in Chessington. And they also have meerkats, which we'll go and see in a bit if we have time. But now we're going to go on Caterpillar Coaster, which has one of the best drops on any UK coaster. Seems like they've removed the back 2 rows. Maybe it was too intense. Maybe the drop was too intense. Here you go. Normally, if you're on the back, this is like the best drop ever. Well, no, it's in the top 20 of the UK's best drops, but we'll see what it's like at the front. Here we go. I go at the end. Oh, no. Yeah, it's not as good. Yeah, this looks much better than what was here before. I think it was a fish and chip shop. This is way smarter. Wow. It's got the Smiler colour scheme. It's Mr. Monkey's Banana Ride. This reminds me so much of like Chessington, this sound.
Oh, what are you talking about, man?
Meerkat movies. Got to get that late summer tan going.
Here we have a sugar glider.
If you're coming to Paulton's, definitely come into this area. It's just behind Peppa Pig World and there's loads of animals to see. It's really impressive actually. I feel like I'm back at Chessington. We're in Flamingo Land. We're here at the lemur enclosure and I'm here to interview this lovely lemur over here. What's your opinion on Saw the Ride?
Saw the Ride is no cap the best coaster in the UK. It's way smoother than that piece of rubbish Colossus.
Okay, that's enough. I'm leaving this. Let's have an RIP in the chat for Magma. It's leaving the park soon to go to Creeley, I believe. It's Future Adam here, back at home to give you some more in-depth commentary on the construction of Draken and the Viking area as a whole. The structures for all of the major buildings have gone up now, with most of them having a complete roof and some of the exterior walls installed. And I can already tell the scale of this area, Valgard, Realm of the Vikings, is going to be even more impressive than the other themed areas at the park.
Nice.
Foundations have gone in for a 12-meter high art wild swing, which will be a UK first, in addition with the 75-foot tall Gerstauer Eurofighter coaster Draken. And with tracks starting to arrive, I can't see it being a long time until supports start to go up. Cobra, or soon to be Raven, is also receiving some new detailing to the station, and I'm sure once the retheme has finished, it will contain a lot of theming around its layout. Now I'm going to cut to an on-ride construction update from Cobra. I'm gonna go on Cobra now. I think it's closing on the 7th of September to be rethemed into the new Viking area. Right, here's the construction update. Yeah, we've got the new track over there. Oh my god! Got some footers here. Once some more tracks arrive, we'll start seeing it going up. Over there. Oh. Most jarring construction update. There's the station, looks really good. Some airtime hills, and this is going to be rethemed. Cobra's going to be rethemed. Woo. What's in the shed, guys? I realised those brake pads are like oh yeah, it's like on Saw, it just doesn't slow you down. Oh, that's brilliant. And the go-kart track's actually been kind of removed for the Mac Power Splash rumoured to come. So that brings us to the end of our day at Paulton's Park. I had a lovely time. The weather's been interesting, but gotten lots of rides nevertheless. And it's been nice seeing the zoo as well. I've never really gone to that area of the park, so really enjoyed my time here. And also seeing the new area with Draken, the new Gerstauer Eurofighter coaster coming next year. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it too. And be sure to subscribe, follow my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.